Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Range is 600, level is 1, concept is subject verb agreement and punctuation. So let us begin. It says, since 1975, the number of women in upper level management in American corporations have increased by 25%. Female executive salaries, however, still lag behind those of their male counterparts. First of all, spotting verb will be first strategy, and have is verb, we need subject. As per rule, whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition, and this is first preposition. That is why subject will be the number. The number is singular or number is plural. The number is singular, that's why it should be has, and option A out. Not only option A, but option B out and option E out. So three options will be eliminated just because of subject verb agreement error. Alright, let us move toward the another error. If you look at option A, you will find that there is semicolon. Remember, the role of semicolon is to connect two independent clauses, and it is equal to and. But the passage is about contradictory information. First clause is being contradicted by the second clause, and that is why we need a conjunction that should contradict. And however is the suitable conjunction here, and that is why this is error. So semicolon means to connect two independent clauses. Now option C has same error. All right, along with it is exaggerated also. Fine. Why? Because female executive salaries still have lagged. So now still have lagged means what? We are talking about past to present, but here it is about factual information, so present perfect should not be used. Tenses error along with the punctuation error. Option E, same problem, conjunction error. All right, so let us move toward option B and option D. B is fine, has increased by 25%. However, much their salaries lag behind those of their male counterparts. And option D has punctuation error, and that is incorrect. Along with female executive salaries can be written their salaries. Their means women. No doubt why, because here women is subject, so their salaries can be understood and it is clear. So writing female executive salaries is exaggeration, and that is why option D out, B becomes best option.